Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Thursday. Yep, that's right, Thursday. I haven't done a Thursday in over a year, but with the success of Mondays, let's try new days. Who knows? Let's see if a Thursday is going to cash in or it's just going to be a complete flop. I've heard from you. A lot of you have said Thursdays suck, but you know what? My area might be different. Let's give it a whirl. We're starting off with an easy one, not necessarily a great one, an easy one. $5, 13 minutes. It's around the corner. If McDonald's is ready, this will be quick and we can move on to a good one. Is that 3EF10? Appreciate it. Thank you. You too. That one only took 8 minutes, absolutely perfect, and right away we got this one, $12.68, 31 minutes. It's 2 orders from the same restaurant, so if they're ready, I can shave off that time and keep the night rolling. Hi, I'm picking up 2 orders for Uber Eats for Amaro and Yodi. Wonderful, appreciate it, thank you. Have a great night. Thank you, appreciate that. There you go. Oh, did you have it? I won't take that until I don't want to drop your food. Thank you. Take care. That last double took longer than I wanted. The restaurant didn't have it ready, so I waited, and then I had to wait for that customer. I think the daughter ordered for her dad, and her dad took a while to come down, but when he came down, he gave me an additional $5. That turned into a $17 order. Love it. I'm curious to see if there'd be a tip in there from that order, and that's just an extra, or was that a non-tip and it was gonna be a cash tip on delivery? I'm thinking I'm getting 2 tips from that very same customer. Absolutely made my night, and now we got this one, $7.02, 23 minutes. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Jacob. Perfect, thank you. Appreciate that. You too. Believe it or not, that one only took 15 minutes. Love it. And I also love this one. $6 for 11 minutes. If this one's ready, it could be done in 5. Uber Eats for Omar, EE747.
Almost ready.
Sounds good. Thank you.
There you go.
Oh, perfect. These were for me. So we've been on a 15-minute break, not on purpose. It's because Uber hasn't been giving me good offers. I've been getting $3, $4. I've just been declining. Finally, they gave me something worth taking. $8.40, 17 minutes. Let's hope it's ready and we can get this done quickly. Hi, Uber Eats for Nicole. Beautiful, thank you. Appreciate it.
Have a great night.
You too. There you go.
So much.
Thank you. Have a wonderful night.
Yeah, you too.
Appreciate it. Thank you. So I wanted to give you an update on that customer who gave me a cash tip. There was also a tip in the app, $5.54 tip in the app, and he gave me $5. Well, I actually think the daughter was the one who placed the order, and the daughter gave the tip of $5.54, and the dad gave a tip for $5. You see, when service is so good, the whole family tips. But in all seriousness, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I also appreciate offers like this one. $8.53, only 22 minutes. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Farouk. Awesome. Yes, thank you. Great news. As I was walking to that restaurant, I got an add-on. $6 and a penny, extra 13 minutes. It's going to the same area. They're probably 2 houses apart. Really, really close. You know what? Might as well take it and let's get her done. Hi, 98C04 Uber. Yes, thank you. If you are enjoying this video, feel free to drop a like, and if you haven't subscribed, feel free to do so. That really helps the channel and I really appreciate it. But that's going to bring my night to a close. Just over 3 hours out, $58.64, and that included a double tip from the same customer. That's the greatest thing that happened tonight, but this night was a fail. Not a good night at all. I haven't done a Thursday in over a year, and I don't know if I'm going to be doing a Thursday. As I said right off the top, you told me not to do it, and I did it anyway, and I proved you right. And I'll see you next time.